So here we are mixing up that Bondo we used to repair all the rot that was in just one of the boards there on the trim. If you recall, we stuffed the void in there with some shopping bags. And this Bondo got up there, let it cure for actually a couple of days. Got nice and hard, and should make for a real nice repair there. And came in, sanded everything nice and smooth, made for a real nice finish on there. Once I get the paint on, shouldn't even be able to tell there was a repair. And so it's back up the ladder and time to get some primer on everything. With the primer on, just time to wash up the brush. Be ready to go with paint tomorrow. And next day, we got a nice fresh 2 coats of paint on all that trim in that section. Had to cover not just the windows, but the rest of the trim around there, just so the white paint would match. And you can tell from the sun there about how long this took. It was a good project. I'm glad it got done. And with all the painting done, it's time for some cleanup. And thanks for watching.